Thank you for what you're doing here. I've really taken a lot away from here, I'm sure. My question is on your point number 3. Actually, I have 3 questions, if you could be so kind. But on point number 3, first of all, I felt that it was very evasive, your answer. But what I'm going to ask you is very simple. When you talk about terrorism, when you talk about Islam, now this is a very simple, straightforward question. I hope I can get a straightforward answer. With what's happening in Pakistan, Iraq, Afghanistan, just to name a few, I'm not stereotyping, I hope no one takes offense. But when you hear on the news that a woman is cooking food for her kids and then a suicide bomber comes and kills them, I want to ask you a simple question. What is that? Is that Islam, or is that people who don't understand what Islam is and they have their own perception of Islam? And please, let me ask you one more thing. Can you give me an answer that is not, in World War I or something, there were more people that died, or this is all propaganda and these are Americans killing people, and that's
your answer, and then you pass your comment, inshallah.
Yeah, I want
your
just
answer,
that type of answer.
Your answer, then you can pass your comment. The brother asked the question that years in Afghanistan and Pakistan, a woman cooking food, a suicide bomber comes and blows up and kills. As far as Islam, what the media is saying, forget about it. I'll give you ruling of Islam. Whether what the media says right or wrong. Quran says in Surah Maida, chapter number 5, verse number 32, if anyone kills any other human being, unless it be for murder or for spreading corruption in the land, it is as though he has killed the whole of humanity. Any person kills any other human being, whether Muslim or non-Muslim, unless it be for murder or for spreading corruption in the land, it is as though he has killed the whole of humanity. And if any human being saves other human being, it is as though he has saved the whole nation. So according to the Quran, killing any single innocent human being is prohibited. If a suicide bomber comes and kills a woman who's cooking, she's innocent, it is 100% prohibited, whether done in Pakistan or Afghanistan or America or Dubai. Is the answer clear?
Okay.
100% wrong. Whoever's doing it, whether namesake Muslim or American or propaganda, whoever's doing it, it is totally prohibited.
Okay.
Fine, so is it clear answer?
That is clear.
100% clear?
100%.
Whether you do, anyone does.
That is wrong, yeah?
100% wrong. It is as though he has killed the whole of humanity. There is no other scripture that I know of today.
Okay.
There is no other scripture that I know of today that gives this statement that if you kill one human being, it is as though you killed the whole humanity, except the Quran. There is no other scripture that I know which says that if you save one human being, you have saved the whole of humanity. No other scripture.
Perfect.